Friends, I begin with the chapter 4 science, that is sorting materials into groups. Now come to the chapter that is objects may float or sink in water. Before that we just discussed this about the liquid substances and gaseous substances, that is mixes with the water, that is solubility and insolubility. Now next, which float or sink in the water. While doing activity 4, you might have noticed that the insoluble solids separated out from water. You may have also noticed with this some liquids. Activity 5, some of these materials did not mix with water, floated on the surface of water like oil, and other may have sunk like sawdust, chalk and sand sunk to the bottom of the tumbler. Right? We notice many examples of objects that float in water or sink. Dried leaves fallen on the surface of a pond, and a stone that you throw into this pond, few drops of honey that you let fall into a glass of water. What happens to all this? Honey, after stirring, honey mixes with the water completely and dissolved, also disappear. Vujo would like you to give him 5 examples each of the object that float, like paper, leaf. Has given some light materials, those that sink in water. What about testing some materials to see if they float or sink in other liquids like oil? Friends, you should find it out. It's very easy, and make a note in your copy. So transparency. Next property is transparency. Whether we can see other objects through this material or cannot see. According to transparency, there are 3 types of material. Here in the picture I have labeled. One is opaque, one is translucent, and third is transparent. So 3 types of objects are there: transparent, opaque and translucent. Transparent object like glass, we can see other objects through it. These are glass. Opaque, if we put before our eye, we cannot see the other objects behind the material. That's why this is opaque. Translucent, these are some objects which gives a blur image to our vision. These are translucent objects. So come to the chapter property, that is transparency. You might have played the game of hide and seek. Think of some places where you would like to hide so that you are not seen by others. Why did you choose those places? Would you have tried to hide behind a glass window? Not at all, because glasses are transparent, otherwise translucent. Anybody can see there is an object or person behind the glass. Obviously not, as your friends can see through that and spot you. Can you see through all the materials? Those substances or materials through which things cannot be seen are called as transparent objects. So transparent objects are the materials which we can see materials through them. That means light passes through this materials, so we can see objects by this transparent materials. Example of the transparent materials are glass is the good example. Transparent shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets and other eatables in transparent containers of glass or plastic, so that buyers can easily see these items. On other hand, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. These materials are called opaque. So in opaque objects, light cannot transfer through it, so we cannot see the object inside or behind it. You cannot tell what what is kept in a closed wooden box, because wooden is opaque object. A cardboard, carton, or metal container. These all are opaque objects. Wood, cardboard, and metal are examples of opaque materials. Do we find that we can group all materials or objects without any confusion as either opaque or transparent? Thank you friends for watching. In our next video we are discuss about the three materials: opaque, transparent, and translucent, and group them. That is given in activity 6. Bye.